What's going on? It's me again, Greg Dewar. Today we're going to be on site to start renovating a kitchen, starting with everybody's favorite part, the demolition. All right guys, we're here on site today. We're about to get started with this kitchen demolition. We're gonna take out the cupboards, the counters. We're eventually gonna take down this wall here. Come inside and we'll show you why we wanna do this. Obviously right now the kitchen is a little bit closed off. It's pretty tight, not a lot of counter space. We wanna open it up to the main floor of the house, give it a lot more light, a lot more functionality as well. So we're hoping to double the renovation budget on this project. We're hoping that it's gonna add at least $50,000 in value to the house. So we're gonna get started by taking out all the appliances, disconnecting the plumbing, turning off the power. Then we're gonna take out all the cabinets, we're gonna take the counters off, and then stick around later. We're gonna demo this wall right here, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So we just got all the cabinets out, and now we're gonna take the wall down. This is my weapon of choice, and this is when the fun starts. All right guys, so the wall is down. As you can see, we do have some electrical inside the wall, but we saw that coming, so we do have the electrician on standby. It's not a big deal. Don't let it be a deterrent. Don't use it as a reason not to open up your space. So now we're just gonna get started on disconnecting everything and getting the studs out. All right guys, we're done for the day. Demo is finished, cabinets are out, that wall is gone. As you can see, it's made a huge difference already. So next steps is mechanicals, plumbing, electrical, drywall, and then onto the floors. So make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.